In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the no internet connection error on Roblox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. There's a few things you're going to want ahead and do. The first thing is swipe down in the top right. It's going to show your control panel. Make sure you're not in airplane mode and make sure your Wi-Fi and mobile data are both turned on. And once you've gone ahead and checked that, I'm just going to turn it off right now to save some battery. But once you've gone ahead and checked that, go to your settings like so, then go to general, and then scroll down until you find date and time and make sure it's on set automatically, because if you have a custom time, that could be the reason why it's not working. Then scroll down and you're going to find apps right here. But what you want to do is go to general, then go to iPhone storage, and then type in Roblox right here. From here, just offload the app, which is going to clear the cache, and then open it again, and it should work. If all of those things don't work though, what you can do is go to your browser of choice, but I'll be using Google Chrome, and then type in down detector like so. And then it's just basically going to open this. And then all you want to do over here is search for Roblox, press the check mark, and then basically go ahead and check if Roblox is down. Because if it's down, that could literally be why you're not able to actually, play Roblox or anything like that. It's going to be here, but it shows any reports people are having if anything is down. Like, for example, Roblox right now is actually having some issues. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other videos that we've been posting on the channel as well.